Good morning, students. Now today we are going to study about the large number, 4 standard chapters. That the chapters are included in your syllabus. That number 1, that is the large number. Are you heard the numbers? So what is mean by these numbers? So number means it is the idea or concept. What is the meaning of the number? Number is just idea. You heard the number so many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Earlier day, people counting the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these all are called as the counting numbers. So these all are called as the counting numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. So this counting number, including 0, the counting number. These counting numbers including 0 is called as the natural number. It's called as the natural number. So natural number means it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these 10 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these 10 digits are called as the natural number. Is it clear? So you know the ideas about the numbers, counting number and the natural number. So the numbers are written in two ways. Numbers written in two ways. First one in figure and second one is the word. So figure means what? These numbers are written in numeral forms. Just I take the example here, 325. So this 325, I written this number in figure form. Number are written in two ways. First one is called as the figure and second one is called as the word. I take example, simple example I taken here. So here 325. So these are number I written, okay, in the form of digit. In the form of digit, that is 325. See this number. This number is made up of 3 digits. Here 1 place, 10 place, and 100 place. If I written this number in words, so which way I am going to written these words? It is 325. So this is 325. So this form of I written this number, so this is called as the number are written in word form. Already you learn in this in 3rd standard. Okay. So after that, expanded form of the numbers. So what is meant by expanded form? Just I take now example 325. What I expand this number, expanded form. So what is meant by expanded? Expand means large. Like what is the meaning of expand? Expand means large. I expand this number, that is 325. Simply, what is the expanded form? 300 plus 20 plus 5. 300 plus 20 plus 5. So this is the expanded form of the number 325. Second example, 2892. So here this number is made up of 4 digits. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the expanded form? 2800 plus 90 plus 2. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, like this way you have to expand this number in this manner. First you see this number, how many digits are there. Okay, so and like this way you have to place them. After that, see place value and face value. What is meant by the place value and face value? So this is also the very important term generally used in math. So place value and face value. So what is meant by the place value and face value? Face value means what? place value means that number itself. That number itself. And place value means the place of that number. The place of that number is called as place value. Okay, just you have to take one example here. 2925. No, I take the simple example, not 4 digit. Simply I take here the 2 digit number example. So see what is the face value and place value. Okay. So place value and place value. So here I take the example 320. So what is the value of the 2 here? The face value of the 2 is 2 only. Because what is meant by the face value? Face value means that number itself. Face value means that number itself. And what is meant by the place value? Place value means what is the place of that number. Here 2 is it on 10 place means what is the place value? 20. What is the place value of that number is 20. Like this way you are going to discuss again one problem about the place value and face value. So see, again I take here one example, 3125. So here the face value, here the face value is 3 and place value is 3000. Because this 3 is on the 1000 place, that's why you have to multiply this number by 1000. Means you have to multiply this number by 1000. This value of this is 3000. Understood? Again you have to take one example here, 6202. So what is the place value of 0? If you want to find out the place value of 0, so 0, what is the face value? 0. And what is the place value? Place value is 0, 0. Because it is on 10 place. Because it is on 10 place, that's why there is no any type of digit, only 0 is there, that's why I keep here 0, 0. See, this is all about the face value and the place value. Now, number up to the million. So, if you have to understood the number up to the million, before that you have to see the place value chart. Just see place value chart. So what is, if you want to keep this, take this number 85, 3185. So if you have to arrange this number in place value chart, so which way you are going to arrange this number? See, this is 1 place, this is 10 place, this is 100 place, and this is 1000 place. Because this number is 4 digit number. So which way you are going to arrange this number? You have to going to arrange this number like this way. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, and 1000 place. So it is like this way you are going to arrange this number 3185. Okay. So this is called as the place value. Again, if you are going to, if you are taking the difficult problem to understood the concept of place value chart, so which we are going to discuss. If you are take this example 3,29,185. So if you want to keep this, so which way you are going to arrange this? You have to take here 1, after that here you have to take 1. In that 1, what you take here 1 place, 10 place, and 100 place. This is after before 1 you have to take here 1000 place, means here 1000 and 10,000. Okay, and here is lakh. Okay, and after that lakh you have to take again here 10 lakh. 10 lakh. So this is called as lakh. See properly which way you are going to arrange this number. So the number is bigger, if this number is made up of 6 digits, 3 and 3, 6. So which way you are going to put this value in this column? C. Here is 5, 8 and 1. Means this number is like this. We are going to add how many thousand here? 9,000. You have to keep this 9 in thousand place. So again it is 10,000 is 22 is 29,000 rupees. Okay. So how many lakh it is? It is 3. So like this way you are going to arrange this number in place value chart. Okay. So this is called as the place value chart showing the numbers. So again you have to take next example, or again you take the another example here, same example, but I take here, add one more number here. So you have to take 6. So which way you are going to arrange this number? Yes, you have to going to arrange this number 6, 3, 2, 9, 1, 8, 5. So means what? Which way you are going to read this number first? It is 6 million 3,29,185. So here 10,000 means, what is the meaning of 10,000? 10,000 means it is 1 million. So which way you are going to read this number? 6,329,185. So like this way you are going to arrange this number. Okay. So this is all about the place value chart showing the numbers. So again, just I take some example here. You know, all of you about the means already you learn all these things in 3rd standard. About the digit. Just you have to, I will take your review here. Just you have to take, this is digit, smallest digit. Okay, and you can say smallest number and largest number. Okay, so you know that one smallest number means 1 digit smallest number is 1 and largest number is 9. All of you know this one. And 2 digit smallest number is 110 and largest number is 99. After that 3 smallest number is 100 and largest 3 digit number is 999. 4 digit number, that is 1000 is the smallest and the largest number is 9999. Up to this you learn in 3rd standard. Okay, about the digit. Again you have to take the 5 digit number. So 10,000 is the smallest number, 5 digit number, and if you add the 1 here, you get the successor. So 9999 successor. So it is 10,000. So it is the 10,000. So 10,000 is the largest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the largest 5-digit number. Okay. So 10,000 mark. Just wait. If you have add 1 there, so this is 10,000. So this is the largest 5-digit number. Okay. So here the confusion is, this is the 4-digit number, this is the 5-digit number. If you take the successor, if you take the successor, then you get the smallest 4-digit number. That is the, up to this you learn in previous classes. So if you add 1, means if you take the successor of 9999, you get the smallest 5-digit number. You get the smallest 5-digit number. So now which way you are going to read this number? There are the two systems. That first one is called as the Indian system and second one is called as the international system. So you know the idea about the Indian system. Indian system, you have the idea about the Indian system. Just I take the example. So this is which way you are going to read this number? You are going to read, because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. Here you know that. Means which way you are going to read this number? 3,29,685. Okay, this is your Indian system. This is your Indian system. But which way you are going to read this number? Which way you are going to read this number in international form? It is also called as international system. Is also called as Western system. Okay. So which way you are going to read this number? You see, in case of international system, comma is coming here after 3-digit number. Next number, the comma is 2-digit number. Okay, but in case of international system, if I take this number, same example I am taking here. So, but in case of international system, comma is placed after 3-digit number. Comma are placed after 3-digit number. Which we are going to read this number? It is 329,685. If again you extend this number like this way. So if you take the example, so like this way, see, after 3-digit means this, after here is comma, again 3-digit after. So which way you are going to read this number? It is 6 million. It is 329,685. 685. So like this way you are going to read this number. So in this international system, million words are generally using. Okay, millions means 10 lakh means 1 million. So what is this million? Millions means it is 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 1 million. What is it by the 10 lakh here? So this is the 10 lakh. Okay. So this is 10 lakh means 1 million. So like this way you have to read this number in international form and the Indian form. Okay.